Good day everyone, my name is Brian Richmond J. Tuazon. I'm from BSc 1F, and now I will discuss the topic, the conservation of linear momentum of the subject, Physics for Engineers. Now, I will show you an example about the conservation of linear momentum. A gun shoots a 0.020 kilogram bullet with a speed of 700 meters per second. If the gun recoils at a speed of 1.95 meter per second, how heavy is the gun? Meron daw tayong gun na bumarel ng bullet na may mass na 0.020 kilogram. Then yung speed nito 700 meter per second. And nasabi sa problem, if the gun recoils at a speed of 1, yung gun naman daw is nag-recoil at a speed of 1.95 meter per second. Gaano daw kabigat or ano yung mass ng gun? P initial is equals to P final. Then, yung P initial is equals to M mass of the bullet times the velocity of the bullet plus mass of the gun multiply to velocity of the gun is equals to mass of the bullet multiply to velocity of the bullet prime plus mass of the gun multiply to velocity of the gun prime. So since at rest naman yung bullet at yung gun, magiging 0 na yung initial. So 0 is equals to mass of the bullet multiply to velocity of the bullet prime plus mass of the gun multiply to velocity of the gun prime. So di ba ang hinahanap natin is the mass of the gun. So ilipat lang natin negative mass of the bullet multiply to velocity of the bullet prime is equals to mass of the gun multiply to velocity of the gun prime. Divide both side by velocity of the gun. Maka-cancel. Mass of the gun ngayon is equals to negative mass of the bullet multiply to velocity of the bullet prime over velocity of the gun prime. So, i-input lang natin yung negative mass of the bullet 0.020 kilogram multiply to velocity ng bullet 700 meter per second over yung velocity of the gun na 1.95 meter per second. Since yung recoil is pupunta sa left direction, magiging negative na siya. So, ang magiging final answer ngayon dyan is equal to 7.18 kilogram. So, ito na yung mass ng gun.